everyone, welcome back to the Real You. So today we are doing a very fun challenge and she's my mom.
Hi.
So the challenge is called Guess the Song Challenge and 5 songs will be played and she decided 5 songs, I decided 5 songs and the instrument of the song will be played by a crew member and we have to guess a song. So let's get started. So the first song that will be played is decided by her and I have to guess that song within 20 seconds. So like the first 20 seconds of the song will be played and I have to guess it. So start. I know this song, it is right here. बाहों में चले आ, वही है. See, I told बाहों में चले. Yes, Savan. The next song is decided by me and she has to guess it. बहुत easy है मम्मा.
नहीं जीना तेरे बिना नहीं जीना.
कैसा गाना है? Song name. I doubt उनको नाम याद होगा. समझावा.
तेनू समझावा.
Okay, so the score is 1-0 and this is the second round. Play. जी रहे हैं सभी इन्हें देख कर ये रेशमी झलकें yeah. Okay, so the second song is decided by me and she has to guess it. By the way, we'll be going with 5 rounds. Favorite song here.
खामोशिया.
Wow. Okay, so the score is 2-1 and here goes the third round. Don't, why are you stopping? Play it again. I know the song.
Very fast.
रूप तेरे रंग तेरे बादल में मेरे नैनों के काजल में. No, no, it is something like मैंने तेरे दिल पे लिख दिया.
No.
Okay. What song is it?
रूप तेरा
मस्ताना.
प्यार मेरा दीवाना.
It was right here. Okay. So I do this. Come on, Mama. Mama. Song name.
निर्जा मूवी.
Okay.
और माँ तेरी.
Okay, Ma from Mirza. ऐसा क्यों माँ? Cool. 2-2, right? Yeah, 2-2. So the score is 2-2. No? वही है ना? Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Good,
So
good.
I won this too. So it's
Good.
3-2 right now. So this song is decided by me for her, and she has to guess it. Come on, play. Wow, darling.
तेनू इतना मैं प्यार करा.
Very good. So the score is 3-3,
My
and
favorite
this
song.
is a okay, it's a favorite song. So this is the last round, and let's see how it goes. What song is this? कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं. Okay, okay. No, I know the song.
Lol.
It is right here. Seriously, I know the song. Play it again.
Bungu. Die.
Right here. सच्ची मेरे को आता है. सच्ची मुझे आता है.
चलो tie.
Seriously आता है.
Lol.
Okay, I give up. कौन सा song है?
गुनगुना रहे हैं बबरे खिल रही
ये कली कली कभी कभी मैं कली कली. Okay, so this is the last one which I have decided, and she has to guess.
एक हो गए हम और तुम.
Okay, so clearly she won, and so this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to watch more such fun challenges, let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to the Real You. And click the bell right next to it so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.